adventurers. It is a windy and chilly day in Arizona, but we're in Oatman to check out the ghost town that is pretty poppin' actually. There are donkeys here roaming around, tons of old shops, and it's an old mining town, so we're gonna go into a mine and check it out. All the little shops here have a lot of like local artists and handcrafted stuff and cool like foods and things like that. So it makes it really neat. Like here. We're going in a bar that the walls are plastered with old money. It's so neat. Stopped feeding the donkey and he got angry, made the noise, and they're feeding him again. So the donkeys clearly rule Oatman. We're about to go into a mine. It's a little different than the one that we went to the other day, but here we go.
I was going to show you is that these here, let's see, this is, yeah, these are called the fanner 50s, and what these are is that because you know the cowboys used to fan them like that, yeah, right? Okay, well that's why. So you got the wider tip.
Oh, okay.
And then the bullets, the caps the roll went down here and come up here, and you see the little.
Oh, like the little roll cap things. Yeah.
But they're perforated. You see, the perforations went on that. Okay, so that see there, then it would pick it up, and so it would automatically put her in there. It's not going to slip or anything, right? Okay, and then the other end come out over here.
Oh, that's too cool.
Over here, so you could go da 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 da.
Yeah, and you used to have the rolls, but I used to have those rolls, man.
Yeah.
They stopped making the guns for them.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, and then now people used to just start buying like little rolls.
Yeah.
And they stopped making the guns for them. I used to just bang them with rocks.
We're going to feed the donkeys. We did see one kick a while ago. So we're going to stay away from its back end, and we have to get off the front porch to feed it.
Donkey.
Kenny got kicked. Yep. All the people who come out here leave it to Kenny to get kicked.
I told you it was gonna get kicked.
I didn't get kicked, I ran. Well, yeah, that was Oatman. So we saw the donkeys, saw mine, lots of shops.
Kill donkeys.
He doesn't mean it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We talked to a really cool guy, told us about all of the mines in this area, how they actually mine, and it was pretty neat. So now we're gonna see if we can't find something else to get into today and go back home. Wow.
I feel bad.
He's still mad.
Now I feel bad I can't live. But I'm still mad.
He's mad. The donkey beat him up so bad.